how to get money from Fetch rewards. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to scan receipts. You want to take a picture of your receipts in the app because that equals points. Earn points. Fetch gives you points for every receipt you scan. More special offers equal more points. Then you can redeem your points for gift cards. When you have enough points, you can trade them in for gift cards such as Amazon gift cards, Visa, restaurants, stores, and more. Use Visa or prepaid gift cards for money, quote unquote. This is the closest you will get to real cash. You can redeem your points for a Visa or MasterCard prepaid gift card. You can then add it to your digital wallet, use it to buy things, and sometimes use it to pay certain bills. And here are some bonus points or tips. For points, you can scan every receipt, even small ones. You can use the special offers tab, connect email or online receipts to auto-earn, you won't have to scan them. And you can scan within 14 days of purchase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.